Okay, so right now I would like to check that the distance of the nozzle to the heated bed is set up correctly, and I would like to level the heated build platform. But before I do that, I need to make sure that this distance and this distance are equal, so I'm going to measure that. So I have 21 centimeters from here to here on one side, and on the other side I'm going to do the same, and it's 21 centimeters as well. So right now I have already executed the AutoHome command. Let's do that again. Prepare AutoHome. Okay, all the axes are moving, and I would like to move the axis by hand now in order to move the extruder to the three or near the three screws on the heated build platform in order to level this. And before I do that, I need to set up the z-endstop. Still, I can't move the axis because the stepper motors are still enabled, so I'm going to go to prepare and disable steppers. Right now I can move the axis by hand, and now you can see that the distance between the nozzle and the heated bed, the glass sheet on the heated bed, is too big. So I'm going to move axis, move 1 millimeter, move z-axis. I'm going to move that up 20 millimeters or something like that. And now I can use the screw underneath the y-axis in order to set up the correct height. So I'm going to go to prepare, AutoHome again. And then disable steppers. So let's move this. Okay, you can still see that there's a gap between the nozzle and the heated bed platform. So I need to turn the screw again. Go to prepare, move axis, move 1 millimeter, the z-axis, move it up 20 millimeters. Okay, and I can turn this screw by hand. Okay. Go to prepare, AutoHome. Okay, prepare, disable the steppers. Let's see it again. Okay, and how to make sure that the height is set up correctly. I use a sheet of paper, and I'm going to place the sheet of paper underneath the nozzle, and you can see I can still move it very easily. And my goal is that I would like to set up the nozzle so that I can feel some resistance when moving the sheet of paper underneath the nozzle. So I need to set it up again. Prepare, move axis, move 1 millimeter, move the 20 millimeters. Okay. And prepare AutoHome. Disable the steppers. Okay, still I need to reduce the distance between the nozzle and the heated build platform, so I'm going to do that again. Move axis, move 1 millimeter, move Z. And auto home again. And disable the steppers. So let's see. This looks better. So right now I can already feel some resistance here, so maybe I can reduce that even a little bit more, but for the first start this will be okay. So what I'm going to do right now, I want to level my heated build platform, so I'm moving the nozzle by hand to this direction, and you can see here I can't insert the piece of paper, so that means I need to lower the heated build platform in this area a little bit. So let's do that again. Still I need to lower it even more. So right now I can I can insert the piece of paper. Maybe I can reduce it a little bit more. I want to feel some resistance when moving the piece of paper, and I want to do that here as well. Okay, so here the distance is too big, so I need to adjust the screw just a little bit. Okay, that was too much. Okay, and then I go back here. Okay, so I also need to set up this corner a little bit so that I do nearly have the same resistance in all corners of the heated build platform.